In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate your designs with Canva in just 5 minutes. This powerful feature in Canva can bring a dynamic and captivating look to your projects, whether you're creating presentations, social media posts, or any other visual content. So let's dive right in and explore how you can add that extra flair to your creations. First, you'll want to start by opening your Canva design. Once you've got your design ready, click on the element you wish to animate. This could be an image, text box, or any design asset you've included in your project. Clicking on the element will highlight it, enabling you to see all available options and tools specific to that element along the top navigation bar. Now, keep in mind that the type of animations available may differ between text elements and images, so choosing the appropriate animation style that fits the character of your design is key. Once you've selected your element, take a look above at the top of the interface, where you should find the Animate button. Clicking on this will open a new side panel containing a variety of animation options specifically tailored for your selected element. This is where you can really start to have some fun, exploring the different styles that Canva offers. In this panel you'll see a collection of animations like fade, slide, and zoom. Each one of these animations provides its unique way to make your design come to life. To preview how an animation will look with your element, simply hover over the animation type and a preview will play automatically on your canvas. This is incredibly handy to see a live demonstration without committing to it just yet. For this demonstration, let's say you want an animation that's both elegant and artistic. You might want to try the ink animation. Select this option by clicking on it and watch as the smooth flowing movements breathe life into your design. It's amazing how such a simple step can dramatically alter the perception of your content. After selecting your desired animation, take a moment to adjust any specific settings that might be available. Some animations allow you to tweak their speed or behavior, giving you even more creative control over how your final design turns out. Finally, with your animation applied and settings adjusted, preview your entire design to ensure everything flows seamlessly and as intended. This step is crucial as it helps you see how individual animations work together within the broader context of your whole design. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly animate your designs using Canva, making your projects not only informative but also visually stunning. Don't forget to explore different animations and combinations to discover the perfect match for your creative needs. Enjoy animating.